Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SEP IRA contribution strategy in QuickBooks, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate the SEP IRA contribution strategy in QuickBooks, start by opening your QuickBooks account. Sign in to your QuickBooks online or desktop version. Once you're in, navigate to the settings icon located at the top right corner. Click on Accountant Settings if you're using QuickBooks Online. For QuickBooks Desktop, select Edit from the top menu, then choose Preferences. In the Accountant Settings section, locate the Expenses tab on the left-hand side. Under the Expenses section, look for Manage Payments and ensure it's turned on. Next, go to the Chart of Accounts from the left navigation panel. Click the New button to create a new account. Choose Other Asset as the account type and name it SEP IRA Contributions. Now, set the account detail type as Qualified Retirement. Once you've filled out the necessary information, click Save and Close. Next, head over to Payroll Settings from the Settings menu. Select Retirement Plans and then click on Add Retirement Plan. Choose SEP IRA from the list of options. Fill in the required information about the SEP IRA plan, including the company details. Make sure to specify the contribution rate, usually a percentage of employee compensation. Once complete, save the changes to finalize the setup. To make contributions, go to the Payroll menu and choose Run Payroll. As you enter an employee's payroll information, ensure the SEP IRA deductions are included. Review the payroll summary to confirm that the contributions are accurately calculated. Finally, process the payroll as usual, and the SEP IRA contributions will be recorded accordingly. You've now successfully activated the SEP IRA contribution strategy in QuickBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.